How to sync Outlook Calendar with iPhone Calendar. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down until you find and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Then, scroll down until you find and tap on Calendar. On the Calendar settings screen, tap the first option Calendar Accounts. This page lists the accounts already connected to the calendar. Then, tap on Add Account. From the list of available account providers, select Outlook.com. A Microsoft sign-in window will pop up. Now, enter your email and password to continue. If you don't have an Outlook account, tap on Create Account. After that, to complete the sync, sign into your Microsoft account and ensure that the Calendars option is enabled on the final sync confirmation screen. Following these steps, you can easily sync Outlook Calendar with iPhone Calendar on an iPhone.